Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to EPSEC's online support program. This week's revision tutorial is about chapter number 4 of the novel Lost World. You will going to read the chapter. The pages are from 20 to 24 and the summary of the lesson is students will revise to comprehend chapter 4 of Lost World. They will also be able to revise how to write a character sketch. Thought of the day for today is a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. This beautiful thought is given us a deep insight about determination. It means that there is always the first step that is required if we intend to finish a task or a thought on time. In other words, this expression tells us that the great things commence with simple beginnings. So, children, are you ready for the revision? Well, let's start it. I have written some main points from chapter number 4 of the novel Lost World. I hope that these will going to come handy while reviewing this chapter. Let's discuss the character sketch first. What is a character sketch? A character sketch creates a colorful and vivid, means bright and exciting picture of what someone is like. For example, it may be someone you know, a person in history, or a story character. While writing about a character, you must keep in mind whether the character is fictional or real, involves noting and analyzing a character's personality, actions, values, and motives. The character that you're about to write may have several different personality traits. For example, physical appearance and name, actions, choices, speech, thoughts and feelings, past, and comments about others, what he thinks and what he talk about others. A character may also be curious, brave, cold, loving, aggressive, open-minded, or naive. That means simple or innocent in his nature. Physical appearance reflects a person's unique personality qualities, culture, traditions, or influences, along with his name. A name is often significant as it may reveal information about the character's family background, tradition, influences, or personality traits. You must have heard this famous proverb: actions speak louder than words. A character's behavior is usually motivated by his or her attitudes and values. By examining potential reasons behind the actions, you can reveal a great deal about how may the character acts. The choices a character makes regarding how he deals with obstacles, resolves conflicts, or overcomes difficulties reveal character strengths or weaknesses. Based on what he or she says and how they say it, you can determine important qualities. He or she is unhappy, selfish, sarcastic, dominating, or uneducated. By sharing their thoughts and emotions, people often reveal a great deal about themselves, their motives, and qualities like love, hate, fear, or revenge. Memorable and important past experiences influence who we are and shape our personalities. Family background may also be important as it reveals values and traditions that are passed on from generation to generation. What the character says or feels about others often reveals important information about that person as well. How judgmental are they or how supportive? Students, you must keep in mind some important points while writing the introduction. Introduce the character in a creative way. Take the reader to the time and setting where you met your character. Introduce major personality characteristics. Share why this individual is important, which will be the central idea of your character sketch. While writing about the character's details, you must first write about a person's physical characteristics. Next, develop and support each personality trait you mention in the introduction. And then provide incidents, actions, and behaviors to support your character's qualities. Remember, there are two main points that you shouldn't do while writing a character sketch. Do not just tell what a person is like. Show qualities through the use of incidents. Avoid developing points about a character that you did not list in the introduction. At the end, you must tell the reader why you are writing about this good or bad person, and consider discussing why this individual is important for the story. Well, I hope now that you have got a good idea about writing the character sketch. So good luck with that. I believe that up till now you have become quite proficient in comprehending a story or a chapter and writing character sketches about personalities. So I have given you two simple tasks and I hope that you will going to accomplish these tasks with flying color. Number 1, fill in the blanks, and number 2, character sketch of McCartney. Children, today's moral is learn from your mistakes and keep on smiling. So that's about it for today. Stay home, stay safe, and listen to your parents. Allah Hafiz.